the best cooling racks for all your baking needs. If you are a home cook, a professional chef or baker, or an amateur cooking enthusiast, you need a cooling rack to cook efficiently. So, we have created a list of the best cooling racks to help cool down baked goods faster. However, this equipment has several other uses. A cooling rack helps keep the food elevated from the surface to increase airflow and speed up cooling. Although the rack is designed to cool baked goods, you can use it for various purposes. The versatile tool helps with roasting steak and chicken in the oven. The cooling rack can ensure uniform browning with optimal air circulation for a satisfying experience. With these racks, you won't have to worry about your food getting soggy. So, explore the options listed below and their features to choose a cooling rack that suits your needs. Number 1. Best Air Circulation. Ultra Cuisine Wire Cooling and Baking Rack. One of the best cooling racks for cookies and cakes. This tool comes with 6 sturdy feet that raise the grid by 1 inch to provide excellent air circulation all around, allowing your baked treats to cool down quickly and evenly. Made of 304 grade stainless steel, this rack is well built, durable, and won't rust. It features a mesh design with small grid holes that prevent small and delicate food items from falling through, and 3 bars at the base that can support heavy foods without bending. At 11.5 by 16.6 inches, this rack can comfortably fit a half cookie sheet that measures 13 by 18 inches. It is oven safe up to 575 degrees Fahrenheit, dishwasher safe, and non-toxic. What we like: features no snag edges, rust resistant, suitable for roasting and grilling, free recipe book included, can be used as a trivet to protect the countertop from hot dishes. What we don't like: the coating on wire mesh may be rough, not heavy duty. Number 2. Best Clutter-Free Wilton 3-Tier Collapsible Cooling Rack. Do you love to bake large batches of cookies, but don't have enough space to cool them? Here's a collapsible cookie cooling rack that can fit up to 3 dozen cookies at once, while keeping your kitchen counter clutter-free. Featuring 3 black metal racks stacked above one another, this equipment also offers enough space for cooling cupcakes, pies, and other desserts. When not in use, it can be folded to a compact size for secure storage. It measures 10 by 16 inches when assembled and wholly expanded. What we like: space-saving design, has a non-stick coating for easy release, suitable for fresh pasta and small sweets. Comes in handy during festivals and special occasions. Can be cleaned using warm and soapy water. What we don't like: may not be dishwasher friendly, may not be very easy to assemble. Number 3. Best PFOA-Free OXO Good Grips Non-Stick Pro Cooling Rack. If you do a lot of baking, get a wired rack such as this one, which is ideal for cooling baked desserts and is oven safe. This baking cooling rack features a durable steel wire design that enhances airflow, while the PFOA-free non-stick finish ensures effortless release of food and easy cleanup. It can withstand temperatures as high as 450 degrees Fahrenheit and fits half-sheet pans perfectly. Further, it comes with large handles for transferring or removing the rack from the oven conveniently. What we like: dishwasher safe, suitable for roasting and cooking, stackable design, available in different shapes and sizes. What we don't like: sloped sides may reduce space, may be smaller than you expect. Number 4. Best Nonstick Circulon 47186 Nonstick Bakeware Set. This 2-piece set includes a cooling rack and a baking sheet. The wire rack is made of high-quality non-stick material for durability and sturdiness, and features 6 raised feet to prevent skidding and wobbling. The cooling baking rack is constructed from heavy-gauge steel and features a non-stick coating, measuring 10 by 15 inches. It accommodates the rack correctly. Both the pan and the rack are oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. What we like: wide handles for a comfortable grip, can be used with bulky mittens, smooth corners and raised circles for smooth release of food. Available in gray, chocolate, and merlot. What we don't like: the sheet may be prone to warping. The coating may peel upon extended usage. Number 5. Best Easy to Store Good Cook Cooling Rack. Tired of seeing the edges of your freshly baked cakes and cookies turning soft and mushy once they come to room temperature? Invest in this high-quality cooling rack to cool down your baked goods the right way. The set includes 2 racks that allow good air circulation, releasing steam faster and preventing condensation. The racks are made of a non-stick material to prevent sticking and ensure the smooth release of food. Moreover, each rack can hold around 2 dozen cookies. Lightweight and small, These racks are dishwasher safe and easy to store. What we like. Made of carbon steel wire. Durable structure. Tight grid pattern to keep food on the rack. PFOA and PTFE free. Elevated feet keep the countertop safe. What we don't like. May be prone to rust. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products as it will make your life much easier.